I am super excited. The Royal Gourmet Classic 6-burner propane gas grill with side burner just came. And come, take a look. This has 600 square inches of porcelain enamel coated cast iron cooking grates and 190 square inches porcelain enamel wire cooking rack as well. The main burner has 50,000 BTU and the side burner has 12,000. Super excited. This is going to be so powerful. Come take a look. Okay, it's very important for you to read the user's manual first. It tells you all the parts that are included, and it's very important to keep it 36 inches away from walls and other hard surfaces. It's going to take about 40 minutes to assemble, and what you're going to need is a wrench and a Phillips screwdriver, which are not included. Please make sure you read all assembly instructions and precautionary statements too. It also teaches you how to clean the burners as well. There's also a troubleshooting guide as well as warranty information too. I am super excited. The Royal Gourmet 6-burner grill is finally finished, and check this out. It has a stainless steel lid and also a thermometer too. And it just looks beautiful. I cannot wait to use it as we barbecue our first meals. It has a stainless steel control panel with the electric ignition starter. Another nice feature this Royal Gourmet barbecue has is these double door features. Check it out, which is really nice because you can hide all your utensils as well as your propane tank. Another great feature is it's lightweight. It only weighs about 107 pounds, so it's very easy to move it around your patio area. It also was easy to assemble. My husband and I did it in an afternoon, and I think it turned out quite nicely. I definitely recommend this product.